One of the mayor's signature mental health programs is in question tonight. A report from City Hall suggests that sending mentally ill homeless to receive involuntary care just hasn't been effective. But the mayor disagrees, and political reporter Marcia Kramer is here with that story tonight. Marcia?
Well, Christine, members of the City Council were never really happy with the mayor's decision to force the severely mentally ill to get treatment against their will. And their new report comes as the mayor says he's gearing up to run for re-election and wants to tout his accomplishments.
The 2024 report from the Mayor's Office of Community Mental Health cites 58% of clinician-initiated transports resulting in admissions at a New York City public hospital, but the reports fails to report on the outcomes of officer-initiated transports.
Public advocate Jamani Williams at a City Council hearing raising questions about the program Mayor Adams initiated in late 2022 to deal with the mentally ill homeless on the subways and on the city streets.
It's not about involuntary hospitalization. It's about the continuum of care that's necessary after the hospitals.
The council's findings raising a number of questions, including racial disparities. Black New Yorkers make up 24% of the city's population, but accounted for 54% of the involuntary transports. The transports were more than 5 times as likely to originate from a private residence than those struggling with mental illness on the subways or the streets. Mayor Adams insisted the program treats people who need the help and is not based on race.
We're going to go where the issue is, and we're not going to play race politics. We are not going to say, hey, this person needs to be involuntarily removed, but hold on, they're black, so we're not going to do it. They're Hispanic, we're not going to do it. They're white, we're not going to do it. If you want to play that analysis, look at the ethnicity of those who are being majorly impacted. Look at the homeless population and the ethnic breakdown of that. You ride your subway system, look and see who's homeless. Look at the ethnic demographics of who's homeless. Look at the ethnic demographics of those who are charged with some of these crimes of pushing people on the subway system, slashing, etc.
Now, the mayor went even further, suggesting council members leave what he called the, quote, sterile environment of the City Council chamber and see the reality of what's actually going on the streets and on the subways. And by the way, there are questions about whether the mayor will run as an independent, but today he insisted he's running for re-election as a Democrat. We'll have to wait and see.
We will, and we know we'll keep you up. You will keep us updated, Marcia. Thank you.
Indeed.
Marcia, of course, our political reporter here at CBS New York, and she's on top of everything going on at City Hall and beyond. You can find all of her reports by scanning the QR code there on your screen.